Welcome to Shared Roamings. Our channel is dedicated to sharing travel experiences for the benefit of all.
Hi everyone. Today we want to talk about something a little different. We want to talk about some of the issues we found in our cabin on the Royal Princess. Now, this isn't to talk negatively about Princess Cruises or the Royal Princess as a whole, but these are unfortunately just some issues that we noticed that a lot of cruisers may not notice, but would be good to keep in mind to look out for so that they don't become bigger issues down the road. We do have another video that does the walkthrough of the entire cabin on the Royal Princess, and you can watch that separately if you haven't seen it yet. So the first issue we saw when approaching our door was the display, instead of showing our names, was showing the RSSI. The RSSI stands for Received Signal Strength Indicator, and it's a measurement of the power level of our medallions as we approach the door. We went ahead and opened the doors, and we clicked on the close button on the display, and it disappeared and never reappeared again during the cruise. When we entered the room, one of the other things we noticed was there was a straw stuck between the top cushion and seat cushion of the sofa. This was missed by the steward when the room was cleaned. One of the things we noticed was that the dresser countertop was with water stains and some marks in it. So this was a sign that this probably was not wiped down after the last passengers left. And it could indicate that there are other germs or dirt there that you probably want to wipe off before you put anything significant on top of it. One of the gory, but not most gory findings we found was that when we wiped down the phone with some hand sanitizer and tissue paper, it was pretty filthy, and you can see the dirt in the white tissue paper after we wiped it down. Even though the crew is supposed to do it, you should probably bring your own hand sanitizer or some other sanitizer like Lysol and wipe down the phone, the countertop, the remote controls, and doorknobs of your cabin at the very least. One of the other areas we decided to wipe down was the keypad of the safe. So we used hand sanitizer and tissue paper and found that this was also pretty dirty. Just looking at the safe, the phone, and the remote control in the cabin, we could honestly tell that these were not clean. And so we wiped out all of them and found them all pretty dirty. Royal Princess was launched in 2013 and had a refurbishment in 2018. Their next dry dock is planned for late 2026 in Singapore. Hopefully they'll replace a lot of these old dirty items in the cabin or do a deep cleaning across all the cabins at that time. We've already reviewed a few issues about the cabin upon entering it in initial inspection. Are you ready for the goriest part? If you don't like gory, you better stop the video now and watch something else. Be warned. And this last part takes us into the cabin's bathroom in the toilet area. And as you can see here, on the wall, you have brown spots. And on the flush button itself, you also have these brown spots. There was, of course, some initial disbelief in seeing this among with the other issues because we were, after all, on Princess Cruises in the mini suite. We eventually found our cabin attendant after looking up and down the corridor and pointed out the restroom issue and the couch straw issue. He eventually cleaned both and apologized, saying that he just took over the cabin and that the previous attendant who had cleaned it had visa issues and had to leave in a hurry, so maybe that's why it wasn't cleaned as thoroughly as it should have been. We wanted to make this video just to highlight how important it is to be very vigilant in examining your cabin when you first get to it, especially if you're boarding a cabin from an older cruise ship. It's important that you take your own initiative to make sure things are clean and are in order, because even though the crew is supposed to do that, they're not perfect and things will slip through the cracks. We hope you enjoyed this video and consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing if you want to see more like this. We wish you safe and happy journeys wherever your travels take you next. Have an awesome day.